Welcome to this quick guide on how to speed up Windows. If your PC is running slower than usual, don't worry. There are simple tweaks you can make within Windows itself that will boost your system's performance. Let's dive right in. The first thing we want to do is manage what programs start when Windows boots up. Too many startup programs can slow down your computer. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Once you're in Task Manager, go to the Startup tab. You'll see a list of programs that start automatically. Right-click on any programs you don't need running at startup and select Disable. Disabling unnecessary startup programs can speed up boot time and free up system resources. Next, let's tweak the power settings. Sometimes Windows automatically selects a power plan that saves energy, but this can slow things down. To change it, click on the Start button and select Choose a Power Plan. Make sure you're using the high-performance power plan. If you don't see it, click on Show Additional Plans to find it. Choosing this option will give your PC a performance boost by allowing it to use more power when needed. Over time, your hard drive can get cluttered with unnecessary files. Let's clean it up. Open the Start menu, search for Disk Cleanup, and select it. Let Disk Cleanup scan your system if it is not showing right away. Once it's done, check the boxes next to the files you want to delete. Temporary files, system files, and empty the recycle bin are good options. Then click OK and delete files. This will not affect your system, so you can without worry delete all file types. Cleaning up your hard drive helps Windows run faster by freeing up space. Windows 10 comes with many visual effects that look nice but can slow down your PC. To adjust these, right-click the Start button, select System, and click on Advanced System Settings on the left. In the System Properties window, go to the Settings button under Performance. Here you can select Adjust for best performance to turn off most of the visual effects. Alternatively, you can select Custom and manually turn off specific effects that you don't need. Step 5. Update drivers and Windows. Finally, make sure your system is up to date. Keeping your drivers and Windows version updated ensures you have the latest performance optimizations. To update Windows, open the Start menu and search for Update and click on Check for Updates. Click Check for Updates to make sure you have the latest version of Windows. Also, visit the Device Manager and check if there are any driver updates available for your hardware components. If you need updates, a yellow triangle will show at the hardware icon. To update through Device Manager, just click on the drop-down arrow on the hardware and then right-click on the hardware and click Update Driver. By following these simple steps, you can speed up your Windows. Disable unnecessary startup programs, adjust your power settings, clean up your hard drive, tweak visual effects, and keep everything updated. These simple tweaks will help boost your PC's performance and get it running faster. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.